Blimey, who's this little energy ball?
It's bouncier than a Joey and Joggers.
Oh, it's Sir Belch. This dead-set legend is Fugler royalty, with its long, gangly arms and even longer tongue. I bet that's handy for licking lollies. According to Fuglopedia, it's also a major windbag. Give it one snack of food and it's burping like a crook in a crack creek. Let's check it out. Here you go, mate. Now do something gnarly, like burp the alphabet. Whoa, that is gnarly. And there's more. What a ripper. And what a stinker. Hey, dingo breath, when did you eat garlic? Struth, that's groundbreaking. Maybe we should stop now. Oh, no. I said stop, you smelly savage. Stop. It's a burp-nado! Hold your noses and run for your life!